many leadership roles within the Aga Khan Development Network, has, for more than a quarter of a century, dedicated his untiring efforts to improving the quality of life of the people of the resource-constrained regions of Asia and Africa. His personal contributions in the initiatives being undertaken in the fields of the economic, health, education, and cultural well-being of the poor and marginalized communities respond to their evolving and contemporary needs. He upholds a multi-generational legacy that traces its origins to the founding of the nation. Under Prince Rahim Aga Khan's leadership, the Aga Khan Fund for Economic Development has advanced path-breaking initiatives in Pakistan in commercial banking, microfinance, insurance, sustainable tourism, and the renewable energy sector. Pursuant to his emphasis on financial inclusion, the Aga Khan Fund for Economic Development has enabled access to financial services for nearly 50 million people in Pakistan. As founding chairman of the Aga Khan Development Network's Climate and Environment Committee, Prince Rahim Aga Khan has spearheaded the establishment of environmental stewardship policies and best practices to address climate change as central and cross-cutting themes across the network's activity. The overarching concern for habitat and vulnerability to natural disasters was evident in the Aga Khan Development Network's generous support for the people of Pakistan in the wake of the devastating floods of 2022. In recognition of his meritorious services and the role for the development, continued progress, uplift, prosperity, and betterment of Pakistan and its people, the President, Islamic Republic of Pakistan, has been pleased to confer upon Prince Rahim Aga Khan the award of Nishan-e-Pakistan. Mr. President, may I request you to decorate the award of Nishan-e-Pakistan upon Prince Rahim Aga Khan. Mr. President, I now seek your permission to close the special investiture ceremony. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, the formal proceedings of the special investiture ceremony are now over.
ऐवान सदर में प्रिंस रहीम आगा खान को निशान पाकिस्तान का एजाज़ अता किया गया और ये तकरीब आपने मुलाहिजा की। प्रिंस रहीम आगा खान को नुमाया खिदमात के एतराफ़ में एजाज़ अता किया गया है। सदर आसिफ अली जरदारी ने प्रिंस रहीम आगा खान को निशान पाकिस्तान अता किया है।